Hello, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us here today at Penobscot Marine Museum. I'm so happy to be with you here once again for a peek into paintings. The painting we're going to look at today joined our collection just this year. It's a delightful winter scene set in New England. There's lots of fun details. Let's take a look. So we have an icy pond with a group of skaters, all different ages, it looks like. There's snow blanketing the landscape. There's a surprising variety of trees and bushes and wild plants. There's a bridge over the water. There's a snowy road with a sleigh being pulled by a couple of horses, driven by this person in a hat. Looks like there's also a couple of ladies walking towards this cluster of buildings in the background here. There's a very distinctive church spire. We'll take a closer look at that for sure. Looks like a little village here in the corner. And also in the background, it looks like there's just this beautiful landscape. Some blue hills or islands, a couple of fishing sloops sailing across the harbor. Snowy fields, homes and farms. This is a classic Maine farmhouse with a big house, little house, back house, barn. Let's take a closer look at these skaters. We have some kids skating around. There's a boy with a hockey stick. A couple of girls are skating together. And a gentleman at a jaunty angle skating by himself with a dark beard. She's definitely got humor in here. We have a boy or young man had slipped and fallen, and a young woman is skating over to check on him. There's a couple, the woman has a very red coat, warming color. We have a dog watching the excitement on the ice. I just love the details. There's birds collecting and eating little seeds off of the wild plants here. I feel like this painting is very carefully observed. I have so many questions. But how about you? What do you think? What do you like about this painting? Or what do you not like about this painting? Tell us in the comments below. I want to know who painted the painting. I want to know where it is. I wonder who asked for the painting. Was there someone who commissioned it? come back for the next video and we'll do some historical detective work.